Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I will let you know how can I get cheapest auto insurance. So let's see 8 way to get the cheapest car insurance rate possible. Shop around for the best rate and don't overlook the similar insurance you might not have heard so much about. Here are 8 things you can do ensure you get good coverage at the cheapest possible rate. Number one, don't assume any one company in the cheapest. Number two, don't ignore local and regional insurance. Number three, ask about discount. Number four, work on your credit. Number five, skip comprehensive and collision coverage for an older car. Number six, raise your deductible. Number seven, consider usage based or paper miles insurance. Number eight, check insurance cost when buying a car. Okay, let's see. None of us want to spend more than we need to for car insurance, but it's not always obvious how to get low rates. Dozens of insurance companies, large and small, are vying for your business. Many have an eye-glazing assortment of policy options, making it hard to compare policies and figure out who is offering. Okay, point two, number one, don't assume anyone company in the cheapest. Some companies spend a lot of money on commercial to convince you they offer the lowest car insurance rate, but not single insurer is the low price leader for everyone. The car insurance company that's cheapest for one person in one place might be most expensive option for a driver in a different state. Number two, just for companies control the company's name. Allstate, Jisso, Progressive, and State Farm is a company name, insurance company name. Control more than half of the nation auto insurance business, but similar regional insurance such as auto owners insurance and rider insurance often have higher customer satisfaction rating than the big name, and they may have lower car insurance rates too. Number three is very important. Ask about discount. Insurance provide car insurance discount, which can mean lower insurance rate for customer who these are bundles car insurance with other policies such as homeowners insurance. Number two, insurance multiple car with one policy. Number three, have a clean driving record. It's very important for third point. Number four, pay their entire annual or 6 month premium at once. Number four, agree to receive document online. Number five, own a car with certain anti-theft or safety feature. Number six, are member of particular profession, organization or affiliate groups. Don't be swayed, however, by a long list of possible discount compare rates from multiple insurance. Okay, to the point number four, work on your credit. Your credit score is a significant factor in the car insurance. Say car insurance quotation is a compare. Your safe expect for a few states, California, Hawaii, Maryland, and Michigan don't allow insurance to use credit when department car insurance rate insurance company say customer credit has been shown to correlative with their chance of the filing claims. Number five, skip comprehensive and collision coverage for an older car. Pay to repair the damage to your vehicle from another car or an object such as finance. Comprehensive coverage is a pays to repair vehicle damage from weather, animal crashes, floods, fires, and what. It also covers car theft, but the maximum payout under a policy is limited by the value of the car if it's totaled or stolen. If your car is older and has a low market value, it may not make sense. So shell out for these types coverage. Number three, revise your deductible. If you buy comprehensive and comprehensive coverage, you can save money by the opting for higher deductible. There is no deductible on eligible insurance which pays for the damage you case other in an accident. Number seven, consider usage-based or pay-per-mile insurance. If you are safe driver who does not along many miles, consider a usage-based insurance program such as Assistant Drivers, Progressive, Snapshot, or STAT. Form driving safe. By signing up for this program, you are let insurance track driving, exchange possible discount based on how much driving when you drive and how well you drive. Great. Check insurance cost when buying a car. You probably already pay attention to the factors such as fuel efficiency and repair cost when picking a car to buy. But you should also consider insurance premium or net worth analytic of the cheapest car to insurers among the top selling which are found the lowest insurance rate are for the Subaru Outback, the Jeep Wrangler, and the Honda CR-V. Thank you guys.